Hello. To turn sketch to image on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you will have to go into your gallery, and from here select any picture you'd like to turn that sketch into image. Let's for example select this picture, and from here you have to press this icon right here, and wait a little bit, and from here you have to slide, and here is sketch to image. And now you can press on this pencil icon, and here you can change the color of the pencil and the thickness, the size. And simply all you have to do is just draw anything on your image like this. I don't know, let's for example draw something like, I don't know, some random stuff, completely random stuff. And yeah, simply just press generate and draw smaller objects all closer together. So let's, for example, it's not working. Maybe it's the case of this like green thing right here. So let's just draw a yellow circle right here and press generate. And from here you will have to wait like for around 10 or 15 seconds. It doesn't actually take that much long, but simply be patient until this process completes. And right here you can see we have the results, and there actually may be more results, more suggestions available, but currently right here we have some kind of I don't know, orange juice drops or something like this. So yeah, as you can see, just like this, you can download this or save the copy. And alright, that's how to do this.